on, boys, wake up. It's the golden hour. Wipe the shit out of your eyes. Breakfast is on me.
How's breakfast on you?
Dude, you're broke.
$1, I can get you all fed.
What are we gonna do, share a candy bar?
Just get the hell out of the car, lazy shitheads. All right, gentlemen and lady, check it out. The magic dollar.
What the fuck is this?
It's tape, dipshit.
Yeah, we see that it's tape, but how is tape all over a dollar gonna get us food?
Well, apparently there's more than one brainiac in this bunch. Pay attention, Mr. Wizard. You take this $1 and you stick it in the machine. You following me, retard?
Gotcha. And?
No way.
Free food and free money.
Free money?
Take it easy, take it easy. Let me show you.
Oh my gosh.
Nice.
Boys, have at it. Let's go.
Give me that.
Get those.
Jackpot!